Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on today's video I am going to show you a series of powders from Beauty Big Bang that I have for you to review and demonstrate. And then I did some swatches that I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to go over the application on my own nails. So now what I do have here is 7 out of the 12 colors, and these are called their Shimmer Rainbow Neon Powders. Okay, let me show you what they look like on their website. Here they are. So there is 12 of them, but I have 7 of them here, and I have swatched them for you, but let me go ahead and show you. I will have links down in the description bar to these, as well as my code NAQ57, which you may apply for a 10% discount. As always, you can expect these to come on their own little Ziploc bag and their sponge applicator. I'm going to go ahead and remove them from their bags so that I can show you what the powders look like. Okay, so here they all are out of their individual bags, and they do come labeled with the numbers underneath with a little sticker, but I went ahead and wrote the number on the top lid so it'll be easier for me on making the video. And like I said, I've already opened all of them because I've already done swatches, but they do come with their own little seal. Now I'm going to show you the colors, individual colors, along with the swatches, and here's number 1 right there. Such a pretty, I'm going to show you what it looks like, what the powder looks like in comparison to the swatch. And as far as, so these are 0.2 grams of what is in the container. I did notice a little bit the powder, a lot of them you can see the bottom of these little container. So it seems to be less amount than other traditional types of powders, such as the chameleons or holographic powders. But I will also tell you, I use less powder application on this, and you're going to see my application on my own nails. All of my swatches, I only used 1 coat of this. I didn't go over 2 or 3 times. I found the application to be, there is a difference between these powders and other chameleon powders in the application on how easy or how much effective this was out of the very first swipe. Okay, and this was, I did use it over gel. So let me go ahead and open each one of these and put them right next to the swatches so you can see what they will look like. Okay, so here's what these beautiful powders look like when you open them. Beautiful, beautiful colors. This number 1 is, to me, it appears more like hot pink. Number 2 is orange. Number 3 has a light pink shade. 4 and 5 look very similar, but in the green family, but number 4, it's lighter than number 5. 6, it's a baby blue, and 7, it's a pretty lilac. So I'm going to go ahead and put it side by side next to the swatches I did. Okay, so here is the full wheel with all the swatches, and you can see them side by side. You notice the difference here between the number 6 and number 7. You notice more of that purple on the sides when that with the light shifting. The two greens, see the difference in the shades, and you see the difference between, this is number 3, which remember the powder is pink, that purple versus what the powder, the lilac powder, and then number 1 and number 2. This is them in order over black, and then here they are over a similar color, what they look like, the raw, what I will call the raw powder in the container, and then the bottom half it's over white. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the application of these. I'm going to use colors number 1 and number 2, and I will show you the application on my own nails. Okay, so now let's talk application. You will want to start out with your base color, whether you want to do the black, the white, or a neon color of the similar family as the powder. But I have a neon pink on my ring nail, and this is number 1 right here. And for my the rest of my nails, I have number 2, which is, this one appears to be more of the coral, but it's the orange. I have a neon orange. So you want to start out with your base color, and over that you want to apply a no white gel top coat. And after you have cured your top coat in the lamp, not too long after that, then you're ready to apply your powder. How beautiful is that? You see the difference? All right, let me show you the pink color. So here are the powders on their own, and also I will tell you guys, cleanup was super easy. I didn't use acetone, I only used alcohol with a brush around the skin, and they wiped off super easy. Now here's something else. This is before I apply top coat. I hope the camera will do it justice, because I noticed in person when I applied my clear gel top coat over these, it really seemed to bring out the color to life. Let's see how that appears on camera. I'm going to go ahead and cure this one and put it side by side to this one, and hopefully you can tell the difference after it's cured. Okay, so here's the same color side by side, this one with the gel finished top coat and this one without. Can you tell the difference? I hope you can. I mean, in person I can really tell the difference. That's something else that I noticed different about these powders from others, where others, they seem to, some of them kind of lost that chrome look or beautiful shine after applying gel top coat. This one, on the contrary, the gel top coat seemed to have enhanced that, its beauty. So I really like that. I'm going to finish the rest and come back at the end. So here's the final look after I applied my top coat and cured it. Gorgeous. I really like these powders over neon colors. What do you guys think? And I will honestly say, easier application than other powders that I have played with. And you saw how it, hopefully you saw the difference on what it did after I applied that top coat. Wow. So remember, these are their Shimmer Rainbow Neon Powders, and I will have the links down in the description bar below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these gorgeous powders to play with and review. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and you learned how to use these. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.